I'm Wayne Pollock. I'm a thought leadership ghostwriter serving big law and boutique law firm partners. I help these partners build their practices and their prominence one word at a time. Let's talk about thought leadership as more than a marketing and business development tool. Let's talk about it as advocacy after hours. Obviously, thought leadership is a core marketing and business development tool for lawyers and their firms. But lawyers never stop advocating for their clients. Many lawyers firmly believe in their clients' causes, believe in helping to eradicate the problems that their clients face in the world, and try to help them do whatever they want to do, accomplish whatever goals they want to accomplish. Through thought leadership, attorneys can advocate for their clients' interests and raise awareness about important legal and business issues that are pertinent to their clients. Thought leadership allows lawyers to contribute to the broader discussion and shape the narrative around relevant legal and business issues. Interestingly, you can really use thought leadership to frame industry conversations, frame trends in a way that benefits your clients' interests and helps them meet their personal or their legal or business goals. One great classic example of this is tort reform. The corporate lobby wanted to push back on what they deemed to be out of control plaintiffs' attorneys and verdicts and settlements, so they engaged in a process to reform tort. Well, tort reform sounds nice. What doesn't sound nice is due process restrictions. But that's what tort reform is. It's a form of restrictions on people's due process rights to bring lawsuits against people or other entities that have harmed them. In addition to helping to shape and frame industry conversations, thought leadership can educate policymakers and the public on issues that impact clients' industries, clients' lives, clients' everyday existence. Think about workers' compensation attorneys who represent injured workers. They could be educating policymakers regarding certain issues that impact injured workers, whether it is the conduct of employers and insurance carriers, or it is the unintended effects of certain legislation or regulations. Likewise, if you represent crypto companies or financial technology companies or biopharma companies, and you want to educate policymakers about the ways that they might need to rethink certain problems or certain regulatory priorities based on the realities of the marketplace, the realities of technology, thought leadership is a great way to do that. Obviously, in addition to educating policymakers, you can advocate for positive legal changes that benefit your clients. So not just explaining how injured workers or crypto companies are being poorly served by current regulations or laws, you can advocate for the types of changes that would benefit them. And related to that, you can also offer insights and solutions and guidance that could steer policymakers, could steer judges, could steer regulators to better outcomes for your clients. There are two main benefits to using thought leadership as advocacy, using thought leadership to advocate for your clients' interests. One, by advocating, you are planting seeds of change. You are helping to take incremental steps to bring about change that benefits clients, benefits the people that you want to serve as an attorney. But the second benefit is that it also endears you to your current clients and prospective clients that are similar to your current clients. If your current clients and prospective clients see you, a crypto attorney, as someone who's forcefully calling for changes to regulation of cryptocurrency, well, guess what? They're going to put you high up on their list of people to talk to about new legal matters. If the public sees you and referral sources see you as advocating for injured people, advocating for people who've been wrongly convicted of crimes, advocating for startup entrepreneurs, advocating for startup biopharmaceutical companies that need help navigating a complex regulatory scheme, they are going to come to you. They are going to see you as someone that they should think strongly about hiring to help them with their legal issues. It's not unusual for attorneys to advocate for their clients on the clock, obviously in court, obviously in arbitration or mediation, and on the administrative side, when administrative agencies have comment periods, law firms and their attorneys are often submitting comments on behalf of their clients, making sure that regulators and other administrators understand what a proposed rule change could mean to the industry. But rarely are clients going to ask you as an attorney to advocate for them in your thought leadership outside of the billable time, after hours. So it's a great kind of secret way to further endear yourself, further get yourself in front of your clients, and further show that you are the right attorney, that your firm is the right firm to help them with their legal and business issues, because you are going out there above and beyond what you might normally do in terms of an attorney advocate, going out there and trying to change the world for your clients. That's a very persuasive marketing and business development tool. So instead of simply looking at thought leadership as a marketing and business development tool, think about how, by advocating for your client's interests through your thought leadership and reaching policymakers and other people whose decisions and actions impact your clients, by knowing the kinds of publications they read, going to those publications, creating thought leadership that's published in those publications, and creating thought leadership that's published on your firm's owned channels, like social media feeds, like websites, like blogs, you can persuasively show your clients, current, prospective, and even older ones, that you are the right choice for them. Thought leadership is a wonderfully effective marketing and business development tool for attorneys and their firms. But by using it to advocate for your clients, not just inform your clients about legal developments, but advocate on their behalf to third parties whose actions, whose decisions impact your clients' professional lives, personal lives, business issues, legal issues, you can perhaps take your thought leadership to a whole new level, because it is now both bringing about change for your clients and endearing you to them. If you're interested in learning how to create the kind of thought leadership that resonates with the people whose decisions and actions impact your clients, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of videos, blog posts, and podcast episodes that could help you do just that.